After the rectifiers, the cabling in a DC power plant for telecom applications is considered utilization equipment. This means that it's not subject to the National Electrical Code, or NEC, requirements for premise wiring. The NEC defines utilization equipment as equipment that utilizes electric energy for electronic, electromechanical, chemical, lighting, heating, or similar purposes. Therefore, the NEC doesn't have specific requirements for directing cables or providing spacing between cables when dealing with utilization equipment. However, it's crucial to remember that the NEC still applies to the wiring and equipment that supplies power to the utilization equipment. This includes rectifiers, transformers, and distribution panels. The NEC Section 310.15 requires conductors to be derated when installed in a tightly packed conduit or cable tray. This requirement usually applies to all conductors, regardless of whether they are supplying premise wiring or utilization equipment, but there is an exemption. It is possible that the inspectors who cited you were not aware of the exemption for utilization equipment. Also, it is possible that the installations in question did not meet the criteria for utilization equipment. For example, if the cables were supplying power to equipment that was not located in a restricted access area, then they would not be considered utilization equipment and would be subject to the NEC requirements for derating. It is always important to consult with a qualified electrician or inspector when designing and installing electrical systems to ensure compliance with all applicable codes and standards. The NEC is constantly updated and revised, so staying current on the latest changes is essential. This can be achieved by attending training classes, reading industry publications, and visiting the NFPA website.